We've got Saturday morning fabrics. Yay! And we've got some great fabrics at some great prices. $14.99 for all of them today. Super deal. And they're very limited. But this first one, we're going to start off with a cotton poly. And I can't tell which side is right and which side is wrong, but they're both really good. It's a knit. It has stretch in both directions. It'd be on this side, which is like subliminally has stripes. It'd be so cool to do a yoga pant out of it. It'd be just really pretty. But it's a beautiful blue. It's kind of a mid-tone blue. It goes really well with this. So if you decided to do a little cotton shirt, this is 100% cotton woven. Great little plaid, fun little plaid, put it on the bias, all kinds of fun things. This next one goes really perfectly with that little blue stripe in there. This is a Veronica Beard. Some of these fabrics, there's just not a lot left. It's just kind of what we've had from the store. This is a viscose poly, and this is a woven. Beautiful drape, perfect for pants. Really good for pants, you guys. This is a panel. This would be so much fun to do, play things with. The panel is a yard. So I'll put it out there and you can see there's a beautiful border. It runs from selvage to selvage and then it repeats itself. So you've got it like a yard and then it repeats itself. It's very pretty panel. And then a beautiful, this is a 100% viscose. It's a crepe. It's a beautiful fabric, and the reason they're using so much crepe right now is because of the great drape. Crepe has a real strong density, and so you see that drape is just really beautiful. So this would work well for pants also. Then I put in some coordinating things that I thought looked really pretty with it. This is a viscose, again, great drape. Just a beautiful piece of fabric. Very pretty. Again, $14.99, you guys. All right, so the goal, you know it. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.